Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set screen timeout in iPhone. To begin, locate and tap on the Settings application icon from your home screen. This app typically has a gear-shaped symbol. Opening it is the first crucial step towards customizing your phone's behavior and extending its battery life. It is very simple to start. Once inside the main settings menu, you will need to scroll down a bit. Look for the option labeled Display and Brightness. This particular section manages settings like text size, dark mode, and true tone. Tap on it to proceed to the next set of options for your device. It holds many visual customization features. Now that you are in the Display and Brightness menu, scroll down further. You will clearly see the Auto Lock option listed among the choices. This specific setting is crucial because it directly controls how long your iPhone screen remains active without interaction. Tap on Auto Lock to reveal a range of time options for you to choose from. Here, you will find various time intervals presented as options for Auto Lock. Common choices include 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes. Selecting a shorter period, like 30 seconds, significantly helps in preserving your iPhone's battery. Consider your daily usage patterns when making this important decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.